goals for you. The first one is when you're using the knife, I'm going to actually hold this. You're going to start from the back and make your cuts all the way to the front, back and forth like so, until it goes all the way through.
You're trusting him? Holding out? You trust no kid?
Wow, you're brave.
Okay, start from the back, and no baby cuts. Go all the way back and forth. And press down as hard as you can.
Yeah, use some of the muscles.
I don't have muscles, Mama.
Okay.
I don't know, Ricky
So
says
do you
you're
see
good.
how this
Sonny
strips
says
and
you got a
corrodes?
six-pack.
Now next, we're going to use, do you mind using your favorite knife?
I don't mind.
Okay, we're going to use your mom's favorite
Yeah,
knife.
it's like
Hopefully I can actually get through the rope.
Shut up. I love that knife.
That one's kind of hard to get way up now. Holy cows, Mama.
Okay.
Okay, there goes my favorite knife.
Her finger.
Okay.
It's not my favorite knife
So you see
anymore.
how this one can't go all the way through?
I don't like it.
Now we're going to move. So we don't use, you see, I'm not going to use the same slice. Now use my
Cutco knife.
Ooh,
My
that
Cutco
one,
trimmer
I like
knife.
that handle.
Now go all the way to the back.
Yeah, that handle's nice.
Remember, hard, long cuts.
Wow.
Wow.
Perfect. No.